Hey guys.
Hey guys, it's Miriam. Take a look at this new toy we have. It's Lego Duplo, and we have a truck and tracked excavator. This is 26 pieces, and it goes with our other construction site.
I like this set because here's some features you can do on the back. I like this little machine here. It also has a mini dump truck like how we have a dump truck from the last set. So let's open it up and take a look what's inside, yo. Get it? Yo, yo. Get it? Yo, yo.
We get instructions.
Look, a mini crane.
Cool.
We have the bigger crane over there.
Yes, be sure to check out our other video on our big construction site set.
Yeah!
But now let's go ahead and put this one together.
Woo! Let's open the bag. I'm digging up the road. So we need an orange piece. Now we have to put the truck base. This is pretty easy. Then we have to put the siren on top of here in the middle of those two exhaust horns. Then we have to attach these two. Just push this in down there until you hear like a click like. Then you can attach it on your truck. So here's the truck. So then we need our guy with a shovel. So then we have to get a few blocks. A gray block, a yellow block, and we also need a green pillar and a sign. Then that to go there. Just gonna pile these up in the truck. And that. We'll also put the sign in there. This is the first thing we have built. Oh look, they're twins. Hello, twin. These two are identical. Put the shovel there. Beep, 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 beep. Whoa! So then brown, yellow, green, gray, and the sign should go there. This is pretty easy. To be fair. Then what do we put the wheels on? We have to get another one of these diggers. It's not the same digger. So then we have to put the wheels like that. We have to turn this upside down. Then just do you see these 8 studs? You have to place it exactly on this, on the sides. Then get this orange piece, push it down on the stud, on the more open studs, and leave these 2 studs out. And then you can turn the page. Then that means that you have to put this on until you hear a click, like this. Listen. See, you heard the click, right?
Yes.
So then that means it's in. So now you can put the cabin on. Then it can rotate, like our crane. Then you have to build a shovel. The shovel is a 3-step process. So then you just have to push it in until you hear a click. Like, see, heard the click?
Yeah, I did.
So then do the same thing here, but on this one. So wait for it, wait until you hear the click, and click.
Perfect.
Click it back on. So then I'll put it like that, so it doesn't touch the ground. We have to get our guy here, this piece, a dark gray piece, a light gray piece, a green piece, and a brown piece. Then you're done. It's very easy to build. So then we can put our guy in here. We'll put our guy in here.
Perfect. Nice job, Patrick.
Yay. Now let's play. We have to put this sign. Sign for construction. Here comes the truck from the last set.
They can all work together at the construction site.
They are. Here's our crane with its claw. Here's our bulldozer. Here are the 2 cones so no one steps. So we'll put a cone there and there. so people know that this place is off limits. So then all the lunches can stay inside of the wheelbarrow, or we can just roll stuff around in it. So here is a jackhammer guy. So we have to dump everything. So now let's get these guys out of the way. Move those. Then we dump those pieces. Now let's move them to the side. Now we need someone to pilot this truck, to drive that truck. I'm up for it. To drive the truck. So now he's to operate the control manual. Beep, 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 beep. What can we build out of all these bricks? What can we build out of all these bricks?
No! Don't! That's definitely not safe.
What?
No! Hey! You're gonna get a violation for that.
What's a violation?
A ticket.
Why?
Because it's not safe to do that.
I didn't do anything wrong.
I know, I'm just kidding.
You can put two. Truck is full. Should we take the guy out?
Yeah, he needs to drive the truck.
Oh yeah, but he drives this. Wait, this guy has nothing to do.
He needs work.
Yeah. For this. This is just a scooper. We need to take something to the other construction site. Taking the blocks. He's a tiny flatbed for the biggest truck. It's a tiny bed. Need to grab it. Put it inside the bed and use it. Putting every piece in here. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe to more fun videos posted every day. See you guys next time. Bye!
Bye, everybody.